Welcome to the assembly video for your Broil King Regal Pellet Grill. Please use this video as a companion to your assembly manual. Now let's get started. You will need the following tools to assemble your Broil King Pellet Grill: a number 3 Phillips screwdriver and an adjustable wrench. Before starting, unpack all of the components of your smoker. With help from another person, flip the grill upside down. Use the styrofoam from the grill's packaging to secure the grill in place while upside down. Step 1. Install the legs, labeled A, B, C, and D, on the cookbox portion of your smoker. Note that the legs A and C are installed on the side opposite from legs B and D. Secure in place without fully tightening using the hardware provided. This will make it easier to attach the lower shelf. Step 2. Attach the wheels to legs C and D using the 2 lock nuts provided and your adjustable wrench. Press the middle of the wheel cover to clip into place. Install the lower shelf using the 4 screws provided. With the shelf attached, fully tighten the screws on all 4 legs. Step 3. Install the Wi-Fi antenna to the bottom of the hopper. Turn to face towards the back of the hopper and lay flat. Step 4. With the help of another person, turn the pellet grill right side up onto its legs and wheels. Step 5. Attach the lid handle to your smoker. Set the handle seats on the lid. The large side of the wedge should be positioned toward the top of the handle. Tighten each screw with your screwdriver. Step 6. Install the side handle assembly. Secure in place with 4 screws. Step 7. Install the metal bracket on the back of the pellet box assembly that will later be used to coil your electrical cord. Insert the rotisserie cap into the opening of the side of the cookbox. Turn to lock in place. Step 8. Attach the shelf onto the side handle. The vented slot should be closest to the cookbox. Step 9. Install the chimney assembly using the 4 screws provided. Step 10. Install the rotisserie supports onto the back of the cookbox. This will allow you to store your rotisserie when you're not using it. Step 11. Install the 2 accessory hooks onto the side of the pellet hopper. Insert the heat shield inside the bottom of the cookbox. Step 12. Insert the heat shield cover into the bottom with the cutouts in each corner aligning with the 4 bolts. Place the grease tube and grease tray into the left side of the cookbox. Use the notches on the grease tray to secure these components onto the lip of the cookbox. Step 13. Insert the grease tray. Secure onto the lip inside the cookbox by aligning the notches on the grease tray. Step 14. Insert both grease tray guide plates, one at the back and one at the front. Step 15. Insert the cooking grids. Insert the warming rack ensuring the notches rest inside the grooves on the supports. Step 16. Insert the grease tray cover into place on the left side of the pellet grill. Insert the grease tray below with the provided foil liner for easy cleanup. Step 17. Insert the ash pan assembly at the front of the smoker. Step 18. You will receive 2 temperature probes with your pellet grill, which can be inserted into the control panel when you're ready to cook. Step 19. When using the rotisserie, first remove the warming rack. Install the rotisserie support on the inside of the cook box using the 2 wing bolts. Remove the rotisserie cap from the left side of the cook box. Attach the rotisserie motor bracket on the outside of the cook box using the 2 screws and wing nuts. Slide the rotisserie motor onto the bracket. Assemble the rotisserie rod with a supplied washer, counterweight, collar, and forks. Insert the rod through the opening into the motor and rest the collar in the notch on the support bracket. Ensure the wing bolts are secure. You are now done assembling your Regal pellet grill. Before storing your grill, insert the rotisserie cap into the opening on the left side of the cook box. Use the bracket on the back of the pellet hopper to safely store the cord when not in use. Now is a good time to register your Broil King Regal Pellet Grill. Please visit broilkingbbq.com today and click on the link. It's quick and easy. We'll provide you with the very best in customer support, recipe ideas, informative videos, grilling tips, and much more. Broil King. Great barbecues every time.